Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes of KBD Academy. Myself Kisha sir as your computer science teacher. Today I am going to discuss about the first chapter of computer, class 6. Chapter name is computer software. Here the some question arise in your mind. What is software? You see, you can tackle your mobiles also. You see, in a mobile there is many software are included and insert. Without software, no computer can run in a smooth way. So a software is a set of programs that is instruct the computer to perform well-touched programming languages. So that's why in a computer software there are two types of software. One is system software and second is application software. And also a set of interrelated program as software. If you ask any question what is software, a set of interrelated program is called software. You can see also difference from software and hardware also. So you can in a software is a set of stuff you can see the computer and cannot touch. It is also a software. But if you compare the hardware, you can see and touch also. This is a difference between computer software and hardware. So that's why in a software you can see. So suppose in a window screen of your computer you see program is going on, you can see it and see, but you cannot able to touch it. It's not a software. But in case of hardware, you see that you can see the image, but you can touch the hardware part also. The difference between software and hardware. So the question is, what is system software? Without system software, system is what? In a system is what? Is the monitors, CPU, UPS, keyboard, mouse, speaker. Then all the parts, all the peripheral part of the computer is known as system. So that's why if you ask a question what is a computer, you can just explain the computer is an electronic machine which take information from input device and give response from output device in a very short time in comparison to human beings. And you know that the father of computer, Charles Babbage, was the father of computer. But when a computer operates, it just need a OS. OS means operating system. So Windows is an operating system. The biggest window of the world is your TV screen, and in the screen you can see a software included. This software is not a system software. System software control all the parts of the computer. It is just like a nervous system of the computer system. It is a control unit also. You see in the CPU there is an arithmetic unit, computer units, and arithmetic units, computers, and one is memory units known as MU memory unit. These there are three parts of the CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. So that's why the CPU is just comprised in the mind. It is a processing device. So this system software handle all the system of the computer, and if you give you data, anything you provide data to the computer, it is processing. Computer process in a input, processing, output. IPO. Computer work in a IPO cycle. Input, processing, output. What is input? Whatever we fed to the computer is an input device. Suppose you can type Ram is a good boy, and you see when this printed taken out from the printer, this is known as what? This is the output device. So that's why input keyboard is an input device, MICR input device, scanner input device, and this what is going on the processing is a processing device, and output whatever we get from the printer, this is known as output device. Now come to the points. A set of interrelated program is a software. It is made up of operating system. Without operating system, no software can run in a proper way. So that's why it is made of the operating system and utility. Utility means it handles the main theme of the computer. Without utility programs, it translates the data into compiler also, in assembler also. It loader the computer or debugger also. That's why programs such as assembler. Assembler means what? It taken all the low-level language to high-level language and provide a data in a source manner and give one by one estimate and send to the process known as compiler. And also assembler also. Second is compiler. Whatever you suppose you write is a computer, a set of interrelated program, it find out the error also, and after error it find the error and give answer one by one in a one by one manner. But interpreter set data all the set in a frequent all the data set in a frequent way. And loader means what? You come to the loader, you load the program and installed in the memory of the computer system. This is known as contained also. And after that, it link the program. It links the programs and give the source program. It provide the source program. It provide the source program which given to the debugger, and debugger find what are the error are there, what is the function of the, it find out the error and give proper functioning to the operating system. It give the system software. And you know, application software are MS Word. You see, MS Word is a application software. MS Excel is a software, or MS PowerPoint, database program, Tally, etc. Means this is known as application software, and it is a real-time expression. It is a real-time expression that we provide to you. So be safe and stay at home. Have a nice day.